Hey guys, I'm back and today we are going to learn how to rename a table in MySql. So for that we'll have to use chart MySql. So I have logged into PHP MyAdmin at my local system, and I have created a test database which have one table, test table. So we'll try to rename this. So as soon as you select this table, either you can select this table and go into SQL, or you can select the database name and you can go into SQL. Then you can run the command rename. So there it is, rename table. So guys, rename table, these are the keywords. You have to use this before changing the name of the table, otherwise it will give an error. So it is a rename table. Then we'll give table name, it is test table to new test, and then you have to click on go and it's done. So the table is renamed. So guys, this is it for this video. We'll be seeing the other MySql tutorials in the coming series. Thank you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You can visit Ajjay.com if you want to see all the videos and tutorials from Ajjay.com, and you can subscribe on YouTube if you wish to receive the future updates from YouTube regarding this channel. Also, you can share this video and spread the information and knowledge among others if you want to. And you can also visit exzi.re to shorten your long URLs. This is a URL shortening service provided free of charge by Ajjay to all the users. For more details, you can visit exzi.re. Thanks a lot.